Sakazani bantwana bedlozi, gama lami ngumkhulisane le. I'm based in Boksburg, Johannesburg. Bantwana bedlozi ngizothanda ukukhuluma ngedlozi elizenzelayo. These people who say alikho into enjalo, ikhona. Likhona idlozi elizenzelayo. Idlozi lithwasisa umuntu walo. Limpha isikhwama. Lisho nokuthi lingubani. Umuntu angahlali kwagobela. But that doesn't mean you don't need someone to assist you. Yes, you will need someone. Because idlozi lizofika kuwe lithi ngifuna igobongo lomzawe. Ngifuna igobongo lamanono. And you don't know that. You need someone. So that's a very powerful spirit, a powerful ancestors. So ngedlozi elizenzelayo, you should follow instructions. You'll be told when to go to the waterfall, when to go to the mountains, or to the ocean. Li are instructed through dreams, so you should make sure when you're clean. Your system is clean so that you don't forget your dreams. And that you pray a lot. Mawuthandaza, uxhumana noNkulunkulu. Uphahla, ukwazi ukuxhumana nabakini. It makes it easier. Then lona bese liyakudirect likutshela go to who for this and that. You do that. Siyafika nesikhathi sokuphothula whereby you need someone as well. So that's what happened to me. Bafika badala. They instructed me. I did some things, prayed. They kept on coming. Bangifundisa konke okwamele bangifundise khona. And they told me to go to a certain person. Banthumela bathamba lapho uyelungisa lokho nalokho. I did it. Until kufika isikhathi sokuhlola. The problem with people these days is that bayajaha. You know, idlozi malikuthwasisa, don't rush for anything. Don't rush ukuthi uhlole, what if ahlole? Because amadlozi ethu ahlukile. What if idlozi lakho lizokuphuma umcebo nje or lifuna ukugezwa? So you need to be very patient and consistent in praying nokuphahla until abakini beza bakutshela ukuthi sifuna lokho nalokho. So, yeah, this is what I just wanted to say to you, bantwana bedlozi. Hloniphani amadlozi enu. Be proud of who you are. The community criticizes us these days because they go to people, they actually compare us with everyone, or isangoma, or nobuhlalu. We are different. Umuntu ongenela idlozi lamampela uyahlonipha. Uyahlonipha idlozi lakhe. Uyahlonipha abantu. Uba nendlela aziphatha ngayo.